India in the Transforming Healthcare with Technology conference, and brought here by Apollo Healthcare. And I'm honored to be here. I've learned tremendous things that are happening in India and around the world to really help healthcare become better through the use of information technology. I have certain beliefs and areas that I focus on, and I believe that particularly in countries that are emerging where there's a new emphasis in technology, that certain things can be put in place that will absolutely improve the ability to provide health care and improve health care for large populations and in large areas. The focus I have is primarily around standards in health care. I believe there needs to be standards around terminology, the actual vocabulary that's used in health care. And certain things have happened recently with the open source capability of large terminology capabilities that will allow for large populations to use these unique terminologies and be able to share data better. I believe that there are things like standard data models. The clinical element model brought by HL7 under a group called CIMI, C-I-M-I, is an incredibly strong organization around how to represent data within healthcare. And as these standards are brought together, data can be shared, but more importantly, knowledge can be shared. Knowledge that is gained in one part of the world on the best practice, best ability to provide health care can be shared with other areas seamlessly through information technology. This is the concept of all ships rising. As people work together, as knowledge can be shared, as expertise is gained, whether it's in India, the United States, in Fiji, Australia, Europe, wherever that knowledge is created, it can be shared and brought to the care of people who need that care. Well, so technology is based on standards. And so these standards need to be in place for the technology. I see things such as mobile technology, hugely popular, hugely capable. Processors themselves have become much smaller, requiring less power, but doing so much more for people. Large data systems, the ability to manage data. So technology itself has advanced rapidly, and now its applicability to healthcare is being seen around the world and certainly helping to improve lives.